Hi, I'm Cheryl Pillina-Reeves, Founding Director of Archimake. I'm a fully qualified architect and Director of PR Architects. I've been in architecture for a long time and I've spent 12 years being a senior lecturer teaching in architecture school. After those 12 years, I realised that there's a big need for architecture to be taught in schools because children would really value the opportunity to learn a little bit about what we teach in architecture school before they get to university. And the skills that we learn in architecture school are so valuable for many, many areas and many, many disciplines, from problem solving to thinking laterally to being able to communicate through drawing and verbal presentations, just being able to think with your hands and put together ideas, and having confidence in what you conjure up in your mind. Using my knowledge and experience from architecture school teaching, I put together a wonderful programme of architecture for children. And thanks to a network of professionals in the industry, I have been lucky enough to put together a team of professionals who can help with delivering that programme to children in schools in London and across the UK. We're really excited about what we're doing with children in schools now, and the children seem to be really enjoying it as well. If you have any interest in having Archimake at your school, please do contact us using the email address below. Or if you'd like to be involved with being an Archimake workshop leader or an assistant, then please also contact us, because we are certainly needing more hands-on help with regards to the number of workshops which we're being asked to deliver. We would like to offer this to as many children as possible. So here's a little bit about what we've been doing, and please get in touch if you'd like to be involved. Thank you. Today's topic was bridges. So this was the shop where they started showing the design and saying how many materials they wanted. So these are some of the photos, them designing their model on paper first and figuring out how much paper they were going to need, and then they were working in pairs. This was an incredibly strong bridge. When we came to test them, we counted on pencils and we decided that a maximum of 13 pencils, because we were running out of time. But this bridge actually managed to carry about 30, so it was really well made. And some bridges weren't designed to be able to carry load because of the narrowness of the crossing, so we had to be a bit imaginative with how to load them up. This was standing more because of the strength of the sellotape. This was a very tricky bridge to load because it had just had paper clips. This was a good one, but again it was very narrow to carry load. And this was an incredibly tricky one to load up, that one which went quite high. So we had to put paper on so they could just put elements on it without them falling off. This was the paperclip bridge, which wouldn't carry anything without extra help. But they all succeeded the challenge of the pencils. But it gave a really good feel-good factor and a sense of achievement.